Yo, what is going on, y'all? Thank y'all for tuning in again to another video. Sorry I missed last week. I don't know what happened, but this week, I got a video. It's gonna be really short. I don't want to take up too much of y'all's time. Listen, but before I get into it, I want to just ask y'all if y'all like the live videos, you know what I'm saying, where I'm going through it, like I'm actually trading. Y'all are sitting there watching me trade. Y'all let me know. I know they can get kind of long depending on, if I get in right, and I might have to sit and wait, whatever. But y'all let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But I'm gonna do this video. It's gonna be short. I'm just gonna go recap what I did and how I made $770 today. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I started off my day in SPY, right? Because I was noticing that my EMAs were starting to cross, and y'all know that's one of my setups. So anytime I kind of see that, that lets me think that, especially if I see wherever the green is going, that lets me kind of know, like, okay, this thing is, it's about to go down, and sure enough, y'all can kind of see where we at right now. It's 9:20. I got out about 20 minutes ago of the trade. So, but anyway, y'all can kind of see it was kind of turning, going underneath the yellow here. And so I got in. I wanted to kind of be careful and make sure that thing didn't like turn around and go up. So I waited a little bit. I probably waited about 5 minutes before I got in after I seen the cross. So I missed this whole candlestick here, which I wished I would have got in, but missed it. I ended up getting in right here on this little small candlestick here, and I watched it kind of go all the way down here, and I thought, okay, we going down. All of a sudden, it pushes up and it stops maybe right here, and then the next candlestick y'all see is this green one. And so this one started pushing up, and I was like, oh snap, I'm getting nervous. It pushes up all the way up here, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was considering getting out of this trade. I was considering getting out, but I went to the hour chart, and I saw how it looked like it was going down. The EMAs here, they're crossed kind of here in the pre-market and the open, and I was like, I think this thing is going down. And so I said, well, I'm gonna stay in it. And I went back to the 5 minute, and so I just decided to just kind of wait this candlestick out, even though it was tough. It was really tough to wait this one out, but I waited it out, and then the next candlestick y'all can see was red, so it started turning back. I was happy to see it. It was like, all right, let's go. And then all of a sudden, this one finished, and I said, hope this next one continues going down. And sure enough, y'all see this big candlestick here, and I didn't even stay in on the whole candlestick. I got out somewhere, like somewhere in here. I got out when I seen it hit here. I got out. I was like, I don't know. I didn't know what it was gonna do. I didn't know if it was gonna stop, and then the next one was gonna start going back up. I didn't know what it was gonna do. Looking at it now, I could have stayed in it and rode it all the way here, but could have made an extra. I don't know. This might be $300-400, maybe $5, that I could have made extra. But if I would have stayed, that's just probably 20 minutes after I got out. But anyway, I got out somewhere in here, and y'all can see down here I made $360 off this play. So thankful for it. Considering this green candlestick here that really scared me, I was thinking like, man, I might have to get out with a loss, and I think I was losing like 500 on this one at this point, maybe a little more than that. I was losing, and so I was just hoping this next one would come down, and it did. So thank God for that. All right. So, but while I was in this, I was waiting for this to come down. I think even during this green candlestick, I decided to wait. So I told you I went back to the hour chart, decided to wait, and I decided to see if I could look at any other stocks that may have been I may have seen my setups in. So I was looking, and I found Microsoft, and I saw this happening right here. I don't know. I hope y'all can see that, but I saw this kind of little interesting little moment happening right here. So I thought, since my green is look like it's getting ready to cross underneath the yellow, I said, well, I think this thing might be going down. And so, but I was watching it on. I came and I saw it. When I saw it, saw it kind of approaching here, and it was on this red candlestick here. But then I was like, I'm just gonna wait for it to cross for sure before I decide to, make a decision to get in. And so then the next candlestick was obviously this green one, and I said, maybe this thing is gonna turn around and start going back up. And so I didn't get in here, but then I got in on this one, this red doji. At the time, it wasn't a doji. I saw it kind of going down, so I thought, all right, this thing is gonna go down, let me get in. So I got in maybe down here. Then it started, doing what it was doing, and it ended up being the doji. So I was like, oh, that's not good, thinking like, okay, indecision. Anyway, the next candlestick y'all can see was green, and I was thinking like, oh man, this thing might start turning up, and then I'm losing money because I'm in on a put. I'm thinking it's going down. So then I said, well, let me go back to the hour chart. I went to the hour chart here, and I saw where this thing looked like it's just going down, based off of my EMAs, and just looking at it, I'm like, okay, I think this thing is going down. So go back to the 5 minute. All of a sudden, I got this big red candlestick here. I was super excited to see this because I was thinking about getting out on this candlestick here because I thought like, man, if this thing turns around and goes the other way, I'm losing money. Let me just cut my losses and get out, while I can, but I said, let me just wait. When I looked at the 1 hour chart, let me wait. So here it is, big candlestick. I got out somewhere around here. When I seen it break, I got out somewhere around here. And y'all can see I made like $410. So for the day, y'all can see here my total was $770. So guys, today was a pretty fast day, getting in and getting out. Although I did have moments where I was definitely considering getting out, and I would have been out with a loss today. But I'm glad that I stuck it out, and I'm glad I was disciplined today. I went for my setups. I didn't really try to assume anything. I just kind of went with what I had been going with for all the time that I've been making money. So anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please like the video, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. I might do another video this week since I missed last week. I don't know. We're going to see. But again, thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.